Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly rise. As you exhale gently through your mouth, allow any tension to melt away. Continue breathing. With each breath, feel yourself become more present in this moment, releasing any distractions or worries, and connecting with a sense of calm. Now, bring your awareness to your body, starting with your toes. Slowly guide your attention up through your feet, legs, and torso. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you inhale, imagine your breath flowing into these areas, bringing warmth and ease. With each exhale, let go of any tightness, allowing it to dissolve. Continue this journey through your arms, neck, jaw, and head, releasing any remaining tension as you go. Now, gently shift your focus to your breath. Observe its natural rhythm without trying to change it. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each breath. If your mind begins to wander, simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Allow each breath to deepen your sense of calm and relaxation, feeling more at peace with each exhale. Let's take a moment for some positive affirmations. Silently repeat to yourself, I am grounded and secure. My breath brings me calm. I trust in my body's ability to relax. Peace flows through me with each breath. I'm open to rest and rejuvenation. I am grounded and secure. My breath brings me calm. I trust in my body's ability to relax. Peace flows through me with each breath. I am open to rest and rejuvenation. Feel these affirmations resonate within, deepening your inner calm and tranquility. Now visualize yourself in a place of serenity, a calm beach. Picture yourself there, surrounded by the gentle sounds of ocean waves. As you inhale, take in the tranquility and the energy of this place. As you exhale, release any remaining stress. With each breath, feel the peace of this environment, embracing and soothing you, bringing you deeper into relaxation. If your mind begins to wander, simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Gently bring your attention back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Feel a sense of calm and renewal as you return. Thank you for being here today. If you found this meditation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more calming content. Take care.